All right, here we go. Another video, this time about the Palm Shaver by Skull Shaver. Rocking Goku on the shirt for my Dragon Ball Z fans and Goku on the watch, on the Galaxy Watch 4. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's get into the video. This is an unboxing of the Palm Shaver. Okay, as you can see, I rock a bald head. And like I said, this video is about an unboxing and review of this shaver. So as we do the unboxing of the shaver, I just want to talk about the aspect of I can grow hair. I choose to cut it bald. Been doing it for about 20-something years now. And when I let it grow out, it is a little thin up top. So I decided, you know what, though, I'm just going to keep rocking it bald till God bless me either with more hair that it ain't thinning or God takes me out. Let's go. All right, here we go. An unboxing of the Palm Shaver by Skull Shaver. So let me get my trusty unboxing tool out and let's open this up. So let's take a look at it. So the presentation of this is just basic. So here we go. You know, it's just basic presentation by Palm Shaver or Skull Shaver. So here we go. We're going to open it up and take a look at it. And of course, you know, on top, you always got your books and stuff that you get from them. In this is in the books were a little bit more detail of the other products they have that you can purchase. And so we're just going to take a quick look at it and toss it to the side. And this is the setup of some of their other devices, you know. So here we go. This is the warranty and the books of how it works, and it's basic, so we don't need that. And so here we go. Let's take a look at it. So it's wrapped and it's secure, you know, so it won't break on delivery. So I'm liking that aspect of it. So let's get it out the bag and let's take a look at the Palm Shaver. So also, you're going to have the other tips that it comes with. It comes with one other tip, and that tip was actually for like if you want to get your nose hairs or your ear hairs, it comes with that tip. And then right here, you have the charging cable. So we're going to take a look at that once I get it out the box or the container. Throw that to the side. So here you go. I'm going to open the box, and inside this box, you're going to get, like I said, the charging cable. And it is type A to a regular plug-in type connection. There go your type A connection, and there go your plug-in. So we're going to take a look at that, and then we're going to see what's else in the box. Okay, so inside the box, oh, yes, you get a charging block. Come on, companies, a charging block. So here it is. You have a little brush, and that is to brush off the heads of the unit or inside it. Now, this is something I didn't like as I poured it out. The whole head came off, you know, so I didn't like that. But honestly, as I get through the video, you'll see it didn't affect anything. So like I said, you would brush it off with the brush, and then you can pop the inside off and get inside of it. And that I did like, that you can get all the little hairs out. You can pull it apart. You can rinse the unit and make sure that you're getting all the hairs that might get trapped in there. You know, sometimes, you know, that does happen, and it messes with the device and how it goes. And so as you can see, right there's a little size, a little slot. You take the little black plug-in out, and you can put the charging cable in, and you just insert the charging cable, and that will give you a charge. I wish it had a charging detail, how fast it charges, but it doesn't matter. You know, you just let these sit on the charger when you get ready to use them, maybe an hour before. And so here you go, the logo by Skull Shaver, and then you have the power button. The power button is right there on top. You're going to press that in. And right off the bat, you're going to get a green LED lighting. Of course, when it's not fully charged, it's going to be red. You're going to get a red LED for not charged and a green for fully charged. So, so far, you know, this is how you hold it. If you want to use your head, or, you know, just, you know, use your fingertips to get a good push down on your head as you shaving it, or even your face, because you can use this for your face too. I did do that, and so you can get it used for your face. And so here we're going to take a look at the other tip. And so, like I said, this is for getting inside your nose, or, you know, even your ears. Those who have hair coming out your ears. I haven't graduated to that stage as far as hair coming out my ears, but you know, they give you an extra tip for it. So in order to get that top off, you're going to just do a slight twist and pull it off. And then you're going to take it and push a slight twist and push it down, and that's going to connect the other head to it. And like I said, I found it easy and it was convenient. So we're going to untwist it, put the other head back on. And as we get ready to go into the other part of this video about me using it, let me just say, easy device, like it so far. I'm hoping it does a good job as a razor. So let's go. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a little thin layer of shaving cream, apply it to the head, and what we're going to do is see if we can get this almost razor close. As you can see, I normally use a razor, but we're going to take that, we're going to toss it to the side, because today we're going to use the palm shaver to see how close it gets. And is it going to replace my razor? Because like I said, normally I use a razor. I like my head to be shaved close. Man, close shaved head, getting out of the shower, man, it feels good. It feels great. So what we're going to do, like I said, we're going to take this and we're going to see how this device works and see if it gets a thumbs up or thumbs down or just a flat line level, because at the end of the day, nothing beats a close shaved head. So we're going to put this palm shaver to the test. Alright, so as you can see, I've applied it. I could just wet shave it with just the water and see how it works, but I wanted to see how it does with shaving cream. So that's why we're using shaving cream. So let's go. Let's see how this works. Alright. Alright. So you guys can hear it working. You see it's shaving good though. So we're going to do half the head and see how it shaves with the cream on it. Then we're going to do half my head without the shaving cream. Let's see. Somebody told me to get shaving oil, that it works better with shaving oil. So, also, this was a gift from my fiance. She thought she would just surprise me with it. And I didn't really ask her how much it cost. When you get a gift, sometimes you shouldn't ask. But like I said, we're going to see what it does and see how it works. So I'm going to rinse a little bit of shaving cream off. And like I said, you can use this wet or dry. So you're going to see how that works. And I can hit it hitting those hairs. All right. All right. Okay. Let's see. Oh, it's smooth. I don't know if it's razor close, but it's smooth. I like that. I like that it's smooth. Maybe once I rinse my hair off from the excess of the shaving cream, we can get a better look. So I'm going to go ahead off camera and finish doing the rest of my head and maybe go over it and I'll show you. Okay. So, as I'm doing it, like I said, threw my glasses back on because I like to see everything. But it did. It gave a nice cut. But I still feel just a little stubbles of hair. So I'm going back over it with just a little water, just to making sure I hit all the stubbles, just to see how it does. And I'm telling you right now, yeah, it got close. So, and I do like that. So it got close, and we're just gonna go over it again just to make sure I hit every little spot when it comes down to it. And at times you can hear it hit a little bit. So I'm liking this product. I'm liking it. Yeah, I think it's a good investment. You know what I'm saying? I have looked online, and I think they go anywhere from $35 to $40, or maybe a little upper more than that. But hey, good investment, good investment, good investment. So with that being said, yeah, this is pretty much skin tight. You know, and I can put the razor down for a while. You know, just make sure I keep this baby charged up. So with that being said, um, this is a go. This is a major go when it comes to purchasing this for those who have a bald head and just want to get a clean, close shave. I believe you can use it in the shower, out of the shower, because I'm getting it wet now. So, like I said, a go. So, you want a clean shave? Yeah, I like this. Okay, so as far as Palm Shaver by Skull Shaver, yeah, this is a good product. In my honest review, you know, I was really skeptical because I have a similar shaver that cost me maybe $20, and it got close, but not as close as this is getting me. To be honest with you, now, is it going to be that razor fine cut? No, because I don't think nothing gets as close as a razor. But as far as you just wanting to hit and get your stubbles off and get your hair smooth, if you're going out with you and your lady, or you're just going out with the fellas and you just want to get a clean shave while you're in the shower or before you get in the shower, this will get it done. So this is a great investment. So, hey, purchase it. There'll be a link in the bio where you can get this at on Amazon. Also, hit like and subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to get the channel to grow. So this is a good product. So let's go.